Hello. I think 24 has been a very challenging year, foremost because we undertook the adaptation to T+1 in the US. From our international custody business, this was really a challenge, something we really had to deliver, and it turned out to be a good delivery, a good result. So us as the center point of the Swiss market in terms of global custodian, I think we did the right thing, we did the right adaptations, and I think we helped the industry to adapt to this very challenging new standard. Again, another challenge, a continuation of the challenge in the US. The US process was actually a success, as you know. It really worked pretty well. So the challenge for Europe, in my opinion, now is twofold. This one is to stay at the level of the quality and be able to do the transition to T+1 in the same kind of quality. But also, very important, the time together of UK, Switzerland, and the European Union. And I think the three constituencies, obviously, we all agree they should go the same day into T+1 so that we don't increase the effort of financial institutions in these areas to adapt to the new standard. And at the same time, I think in the European Union, there is a need for a clear leadership on the topic, which is being dealt with, but I think is basically a cornerstone of the success of the process to have the right leadership into that. SIX Group is really committed to this, also from the point of view that in the Swiss environment, SIX Group is really in the lead of the process. So I think we will, from the European Union constituency and the SIX and the Swiss constituency, we will try to coordinate and align the interests of the financial institutions to do it in the same date at the same time, which I think is super important for the process. It went well. It was a difficult undertaking. I think we were all trade repositories very implied in the whole thing. It was, from a system perspective, was a really challenging undertaking. At the same time, we did I think a good job in adapting to it, and also to the UK refit, the other leg of the process. I think we are now in a different stage, in a different period. We have now as a raised TR and also our Swiss TR business in a better situation and with a better platform, with a better capacity to deliver services. So a difficult and challenging undertaking, but a successful one. I think FMIs are the pillars of the financial markets. I think FMIs are really not only the plumbers, not only the ones who facilitate the services around the financial industry, but also drivers of innovation, drivers of new services, and able to deliver better quality and better adaptation. In the SIX Group, we're doing this as much as we can. We're investing heavily into new ideas, into artificial intelligence, for example, new undertakings. I think we really see ourselves in the middle of the financial system, but again, not only as facilitators, but also as drivers of innovation and drivers of growth in this sector.